This is Michelle Anantua from Harmony's Divine Design, joining you today to teach you how to upload your videos into YouTube. So I'm just going to give it a few minutes, let some people join in. In the meantime, hope you guys are having an awesome day. Happy Friday. It's an afternoon. We've actually got a little bit of a break from the rain right now, so I'm happy about that. It's been raining all day, so being on here with you guys is a little piece of sunshine for me. So we're going to give it a few more minutes before we get started. Again, this is Michelle Anantua from Harmony's Divine Design, and I am grateful you guys are here to join me today. Let me know in the comments how you're doing. How's your day going? What are you looking forward to with this little preview that I have for today? Go ahead and drop it in the comments and let me know. And we'll be getting started in a few minutes. All right. Well, it is officially 1:02. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into it. I promise not to keep you guys too long. But yesterday I had posted up a post regarding my YouTube TV art called Harmony and Jazz. So that's actually this video right here. Now, since posting this video 3 weeks ago, I have received 2.9 thousand views. Surprising even myself, to be very honest with you. And so when I posted this video, I received a lot of questions just in regards to technicalities, dimensions, audio, how did I get the set, so forth and so on. So the biggest one that I wanted to address right away was how to upload into YouTube. You did all the work, you got your video together, you're ready to go, and yet you kind of get to a blank spot, right? A little confused on what's going on, not sure what to put in. So today I'm going to do a quick step-by-step on exactly what to do and how to upload your content into YouTube. So for starters, we're going to go over here in our upper right hand corner and click Create. Select Upload Video. Now for this, I have a short little video that I'm going to be uploading to show you guys as an example. Alright, so upload videos, drag and drop video files. I'm going to open my documents, select the video that I want, drag and drop it in. Now here you see as title, it automatically will take the file name you have for what you're uploading, right? So if you want to rename it, go ahead, highlight and backspace that out. And for this video, I'll put YouTube TV art example, right? So there we put our title. In this video, you will see a sample, okay? Not going to get too far into the description, but of course, if you're making something like YouTube TV art, in the descriptions, let them know exactly what you're putting in, what type of music, if you added music, what type of art, things of that nature, so the viewer has an idea of what it is they're looking at. Okay? Now you see over here on the right, it gives us a little snippet of the video that we're uploading. It even creates thumbnails from your video. You can upload one if you want to keep it separate from the video. Now, playlist. You can add it to a playlist if you choose. If you don't, that's fine too. What a playlist does, it basically categorizes your video into a group. So, say for instance, you created some YouTube TV art and it has a certain theme to it. You can create a playlist to categorize all your videos with that theme there. So, for the sake of this video, I'm not adding it to a playlist because I want this to show on the front page of our YouTube channel. Audience, is this video made for kids? No, it's not made for kids. This is for adult viewing, even though there is no type of expletive content in it or anything like that. My target audience is for adults. Now, you can click down and say show more. Is this a paid promotion? So are you doing product placement, sponsorship, endorsements? If your video contains any of that content, you can go ahead and check that off. Mine currently does not. Do any of the following describe your content? Does it make a real person appear or to say or do something that they didn't? Does it alter footage of real event or place? And does it generate a realistic looking scene that didn't actually occur? So basically, if you're utilizing AI to create, or any type of imaging to alter a reality, they want you to tick that. So if you're doing some type of fan art or video that focuses on a real place but an event didn't happen, it's just imaginary, you would tick this box. So for here, I will click no and I'll go down. Okay, automatic chapters. Chapters and key moments make your video easier to watch. You can overwrite automatic suggestions. So this is basically YouTube saying, hey, this is the important part of your video. This is a highlight of the video. I just usually leave all this stuff ticked. Allow automatic places. Allow automatic concepts. Now tags. It says that they can be useful, if something's commonly misspelled in your content. Otherwise, tags plays a minimal role in helping viewers find your video. Me personally, I know tags can also help categorize your video. So if you're doing something with jazz, I would put that in a tag. African American art, I would put that in a tag, and so forth and so on. Even though it says it helps, it plays a minimal role, I prefer to have all my I's dotted and T's crossed, so I'm going to add some tags in there. It has up to 500 characters, so you can get creative with what you want to put in your video. Language and caption certification, I just leave this alone. I don't have any closed captioning on my video, so I just let that be. Recording date and location, this is not mandatory to enter. So recording date, none. Video location, none. Again, I just leave that as is. License, standard YouTube license. Allow embedding. Publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. So once this video is posted, anyone that has subscribed to your YouTube channel, they'll be notified that, hey, there's new content on this channel. So once I upload this, anyone that subscribes to the channel will receive a notification. Okay. Shorts remixing. Now this allows for video and audio remixing. This means that someone can basically copy and paste and talk over or add to your original content. I personally don't allow for remixing. That's just my preference. If you do, based on the content that you're providing, it's totally up to you. Categories, I'm going to take that out of music and I'm going to do how to and style, because this particular video that I'm putting up is actually a video announcing a class. So that's going to go in our how to section. Comments and ratings, I'll leave that on. It's always good to receive people's feedback. Good, bad, indifferent. You know, you want to kind of get an idea of what people are feeling, if they're liking the work, what their experience with your work is. Comment moderation, it's just basic. I don't have anything tapped. And also show how many viewers like this video, which is fine by me. Now we're going to go down here and click next. Here, I personally don't do a lot of stuff in here, or really anything, because a lot of my videos, by the time I bring them over to YouTube, they're edited the way that I need them to be. So I just go through here and just click next. This is another one. This is the copyright check. So if you have any type of copywritten material in your video, whether it be a song, a sound, they actually check the content that you're uploading. So with this particular video, no issues found. And rule of thumb, just leave copyright material alone. If it's not yours, let it be. All right, go ahead and click next. Now here is how you can choose to display your video, right? So if you want it private for only you and people you choose can watch it, then you can utilize that method. If you want it unlisted, where anyone with the video link can watch your video, you can do that, but it will not appear in your library. Okay, so keep that in mind. If people go to your YouTube channel looking for that particular video, it will not show up unless they have the link to watch it. Public, everyone can watch it. So for this, I want it public, everyone can watch it. I'm going to scroll down again. Now, if you want to schedule out, you can, this posting. If you don't, that's fine. If you want it instant, which is what we're going to do in a moment, that's fine. So before you publish, check the following. Do kids appear in this video? That is a no. Looking for overall content guidance? That is a no. So before I hit schedule, because I really don't want to schedule anything, but I think it's automatically ticked. Just a once over, look at the video again, start it from the beginning, just to get an idea, make sure, okay. So this video is for our upcoming class that's coming up, which is our YouTube TV art class, where I will be with you start to finish working on a YouTube TV art video and teaching you how you can create one on your own. So if that is something you are interested in, definitely let me know in the comments. I will be dropping the link to enroll in that class in a moment. So we'll go ahead and click schedule. So you can schedule that out. So this is saying that your video will be set to public on April 13th at midnight. So this is going to do a midnight drop. If I want someone to view the link prior, I can go ahead and copy that. The link will be copied to the clipboard, and then I could paste and send it to whomever. So I'll go ahead and click close. Now, as I said, I didn't want to schedule this out, right? So I actually want this to release now. So let's go ahead and see if we can just amend that. Let's do it for 5:16 because you probably have to do it a little time out. Let's just do it for 1:30. All right. So at 1:30, this video will be available to the public. But again, just so you can look at your listing. But once you click on it, once you click on it, it will take you into your video details, right? So this is the platform that you can go into to edit if you want to change the title, amend the description, change the thumbnail that it's using. You can do all of that in here. All right. So if you made a mistake or an error, there's no need to fret. This is actually like your control panel, your behind the scenes to your video. Okay. So we'll go ahead and click save. And that is how you upload a video onto YouTube. When you go back to your channel content, you'll see all your content there, along with your views, the analytics, all that good stuff, and you are good to go. Now, I do want to share with you guys, as the video stated, a class that we actually have coming up teaching you how you can create your own YouTube TV art. Again, this will be a step-by-step class. So I will be walking you through from beginning to end on how to create your YouTube TV art, all the way up to uploading it, and the tags we'll even use in the videos. Okay. So if you are interested, if you have a YouTube video that you've created, you might be at a point where you're uncertain what to do next. If you haven't started one, this class is literally for everyone in between, and also we'll discuss how you can make YouTube TV art, not just for digital products, but for physical ones. So I'm super excited about that class that's coming up. I hope to see you all there. And of course, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. And I thank you so much for tuning in today. And I look forward to seeing you in class. Happy creating!